Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showcasing you how to insert the SIM card and the micro SD card into the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First, we will need a SIM ejector tool which you can get in the retail box. After that, hold the Galaxy A17 5G like this. On the left side you will see the SIM tray outline and a hole. Take the SIM ejector tool and insert it into the hole and push a bit. SIM tray will pop up. You gently need to pull it out. This is the SIM tray card. Here you can find out two options where you can insert a SIM 1 and SIM 2 or the micro SD card in here. So in order to insert the first SIM card, here is the process. Now take the SIM 1 and place it in here like this. Make sure the contacts are facing down and the notch of the SIM is matching in the tray. Now to insert the second SIM card or the micro SD card in the second slot, take the micro SD card first. Place it in here in such a way that the contacts are facing down and the notch are matching the tray. Now after that, hold the SIM tray just like that and insert it into the phone and push the SIM tray. Now the SD card and SIM are inserted. Now in order to insert the second SIM card, remove the SD card first. Place the second SIM card in here in this slot. Place the SIM tray in such a way that the contacts are facing down and the notch of the SIM in the tray matches. Once you are ready, hold the SIM tray like this and insert it into the phone carefully. Gently push it and make sure it is properly inserted. It may take a while to detect the network. Now, once the network is detected, it will be redirected you to the SIM card manager page. Here you can set it the default SIM preference for call, messages and mobile data. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.